I know you want to save your mother, but the suspect is very dangerous. I can't let you in.
But Nikki shouldn't be dragged into all of this. She's new here in Flora-Wish.
I don't believe in coincidences.
Captain Haya, we're here.
Nikki, thank you. Sorry for the short notice. I'm hoping you can help us.
Of course. Just tell me what you need.
That's good. What we need is to leave you alone with the suspect. Our team will be on standby, and he'll be restrained. Just interview him. Get as much intel as possible. Don't worry. He's not a stylist. We have everything under control.
Can Momo come with me?
I go with Nikki.
You're not human, so it's fine.
That was blunt.
I've secured you a temp guard uniform to ensure the interrogation process goes smoothly. While wearing it, you'll feel a boost in your confidence and poise. And poise is the key to success.
Cool. I get to be a temporary guard.
Remember, your primary goal is to get information. Don't provoke the suspect. Your safety comes first. Let's not waste time. Here's your temp guard uniform. Go ahead and put it on. May the Arosa bless you.
The pink-haired girl, finally. I've been waiting.
What do you mean? You don't know me.
Knowing, not knowing, just two sides of the same coin. After all, does it matter which side is heads, if you're the one flipping the coin?
Does that make you the coin flipper?
Not at all. I'm just an ant, held in stasis between two sides. The prophet saw me and took pity on my plight.
Who's the prophet?
He's the one who flips the coin. His quick wish bottles take people to the other side, where all their wishes come true.
Everyone is in a coma. How do you know it's not all a lie?
Just what do wishes mean to you?
Wishes are... they're aspirations, the blueprints of life.
You must think Wishfield is a peaceful wish-making sanctuary. That the Wishing One was an awe-inspiring, benevolent god. Want to know the truth? This place has been in turmoil since the Age of Divinity. Even now, the discord is endless. The Wishing One sacrificed himself for nothing. I'll tell you what wishes really are. Paths drawn by the coin flipper, who forces us to follow them.
Watch yourself! Shh, shh, or you'll feel my claws!
I don't see the big deal. Why does it matter if we follow a path?
Nikki, that's going too far! Try something else!
You're too negative. It's pointless to dwell on the past, or to debate the meaning of wishes. Harming innocent people will always be a crime. You've been helping this prophet? What's in it for you? Can you go to this other side too?
I'm different. The prophet said that in the future he saw, the artifact was destined to be mine. So, following the prophet's guidance will ensure it becomes mine.
What is it?
The Wishing One's supreme artifact. It's called... No. I'm not worthy enough to say its name. Not yet.
What does this supreme artifact do?
It can fulfill one wish. It doesn't matter what it is.
Huh?
I can see you are intrigued. I'm right. What wish came to mind?
I wished for all girls to never get cramps again.
Nikki, you need to focus! Ask about the prophet's guidance!
Oh yeah. So, is this the guidance? What does he want with me?
Of course. The prophet sees everything.
Then he must know my next question. And also, the answer to it.
A clever girl with a strong mind. I get it now. I understand why you intrigue the prophet.
Could you?
Nikki, assertive! Be assertive!
Enough! Tell me how to wake up the comatose victims. Right now!
Oh, you scared me, and I forgot everything. All I can remember now is writing down a cure in a ledger which I left in a cave on Relic Hill in Breezy Meadow. However, you need to go alone. If anyone accompanies you to look for it, I can't guarantee you'll find the ledger.
Here's what happened. Nikki, you're amazing. If it were me, I would have gotten tricked.
These kinds of suspects are master manipulators. Tough to crack. Nikki, excellent work.
But while it's good we know where the ledger is, Nikki going alone, it's too risky.
That's right! It's obviously a trap. She won't be alone. She'll have me!
That's not enough. Since she's done a lot for me, maybe I can put on a pink wig. And I'll take Nikki's place. Wait a second. Pink hair is my thing. Nonoi, remember, you said I was a talented stylist. Trust me, I can look after myself. No need to worry. Besides, I'm already wrapped up in all this. The prophet knows who I am. Through him, maybe we can get some answers. Nikki, thank you. I still have something to ask you too, when I get back. Okay, you got this, Nikki. You too, Momo. You'll find the ledger. I believe in you. And if anything happens, I'll use the Grand Crane to save you. I've gotta fix it, though. I'd better head to my secret base. Hey, you never know. We might be back first.
Yeah, it's just a ledger. We'll be back here in no time.
It's good you're confident, but you need to be realistic, too. Relic Hill is a long way from Florawish. You'll need transportation. Head over to the Sichia Art Academy field base in Breezy Meadow. Go to the rental place and rent a whimcycle there.
Rent a whimcycle?
Nikki, may the Arosa bless you.
Here. It's the cavern the Wish Envoy talked about.
I'm worried. That rumbling noise is unsettling. It noticed us. Be careful! That's it! Just like that! love you, Waltz Dodo Bear. I'm a PC. But you can call me Miss Dodo Bear.
Hello, Miss Dodo Bear. Are you a ghost?
You're definitely not from around here. PCs are born from clothes that have been soaked with strong wishes. We're descendants of the Wishing One.
So you're just like Fey-Wish sprites.
Don't say that. If you weren't talking to me, you'd be in big trouble. Enough already. I need to get going. With every fiber of my being, I want to leave. In return for your help, I want to give you something. But not here. Not now. When the time is right, come to the bridge near the Meadow Activity Support Center.
Miss Dodo Bear.
She's so mysterious.
Next time we'll ask some questions.
For now, let's keep looking for the ledger.
This must be the ledger. Sales records, finances, credit lists, quick wishing for dummies. I found it!
What's it say? What's it say?
It says here, when a wish made with the quick wish bottle is fulfilled, the wishmaker will awaken. So that means, to wake Nanoi's mother, we need to fulfill her wish.
Does it say anything about the prophet?
I don't think so. Let's head back and find Nanoi. I'm worried, though.
What's wrong, Nikki?
Nothing. We'll talk about it when we see Nanoi.
Nikki, you're back! Oh, great! Perfect timing. Nanoi was gonna rescue you by crashing the Grand Crane into the cave. Good thing she's still repairing it.
We're fine. We got the ledger, and it even explains how to wake up someone who used a quick wish bottle.
What did it say?
We must fulfill the wish of the person who used it.
My mother's wish. I know where to find her quick wish bottle. It should be down in the crane room. It's in the depths of the Dream Warehouse.
The Dream Warehouse? Is that the storage area where you...
That's right. Look, that's the Dream Warehouse over there. Whoa! For more than a millennium, it's been standing here. In ancient times, people viewed it as the place where wishes sleep. So they...
It's a beautiful...
I agree. It really is. I can still remember... Inside were millions of wish bottles and wish cards. More than there are stars in the sky. There's a room with countless paper cranes. They fly around, circling the original Grand Crane. Whenever I'm sad, I can lift my spirits just by thinking about it. My mother said, people put their faith in us to store their precious wishes. We must treat them with the utmost care to preserve them forever.
Nanoi?
What is it, Nikki?
I'm sorry, but what if your mother's wish is for you to stop looking for your past?
I know. I thought about that. It might be. However, after thinking about the Dream Warehouse, I've made up my mind. The Wish Envoy, or rather the Prophet, believed he had me cornered. He's forcing me to choose between my mother's wish and my own.
But that's not really a choice. The Prophet set all this up. If you follow his lead, you're playing into his hand.
You're right. From deep inside each person, every wish is born, finding its place.
Nanoi.
I want to be a better Dream Warehouse keeper. Maybe one day, the shadow hanging over this place will lift on its own. At that time, my background will no longer be a mystery. It's okay. I'll be fine. Dorota, take Nikki and Momo to the main entrance. I'll fix the Grand Crane and find you. Here's the key. Okay.
Nikki, this is the Dream Warehouse's main entrance. Unfortunately, it's been Huh? Not even Nanoi can fix it. Many years ago, there was a great and terrible war. All of Wishfield was affected. The Dream Warehouse keepers ride on the Grand Crane. They use the rooftop entrance.
That's okay. With my floating outfit.
Nanoi said so.